Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya on Monday celebrated the 76th Independence Day across the state. In the state capital Shillong, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma hoisted the national flag at Polo Grounds, Shillong, and took the Rashtriya salute of the marching contingents. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik hosted an at-home reception at the Raj Bhavan in Shillong on the occasion of the 76th Independence Day. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Chief Justice High Court of Meghalaya Justice Sanjeev Banerjee were among others present on the occasion. A few cultural items enthralled the audience present at the program.
On the 4th of April, 1829, U Tirot Singh, the CM of Meghalaya, led an attack on the British forces by mobilizing the Khasis. On 12th of December 1872, Patogan Nengmanjar had led the independent Garus against the British. Many of the leaders like them, like U Lokshon Jarain, U Monbut, Pasonaram Sangma, Paminat Sangma, Uwotep Kindait, and many other unsung heroes had fought for the